If you have a Keurig coffee maker, K-cup maker that has coffee grains that get in your coffee and you don't know why and you're trying to fix it, I'm going to help you fix that issue now. Now this particular model is a K35, but it doesn't matter what model Keurig that you have. The concept is pretty much the same. So let's go ahead and unplug it. We want to access the funnel here. This is of course where you put your K-cups in. We're going to pull this out. Now on the K35 this just pulls right out, but on some of the Keurigs you'll actually have to twist it and then pull up. And some there'll be like a little reset thing here. But on the K35 I just have to use a little bit of muscle. It pulls off. For whatever reason, if it doesn't, you can get like a little small wrench and pull up on it. And what it's going to do is it's going to access the funnel, and then it's going to access the little needle part, right, exit needle right here. And these actually pull apart, and you have to put a little bit of force to it. Let's go ahead and do that now. So it just takes a little twist. That pulls apart. See here? This is the exit needle here portion. And what you're going to do is you're going to get like a little safety pin or a paper clip, and you're going to clean out any grains that's caught in. And then after that part, do the exit needle part. There's 4 portions here. Go ahead and clean out all 4 with your paper clip or safety pin. And you might as well sanitize it and clean it in the sink and all that good stuff. Go ahead and put it back together. It should line up. There we go. Alright. Now let's go ahead and put it back into our Keurig. And this should line up just fine. Alright. Go ahead and try some coffee out. You might want to go ahead and just do a cleaning first. Maybe do like a half vinegar, half water solution first to clean it out thoroughly. And just do a little test brew, and then try your coffee, and that should have fixed the issue. All right, thanks for watching.